Hey trophies, welcome back to I Jump Instead and welcome to this 10-minute Saturday steps class on a rebounder where we're gonna get our steps in and strengthen our joints, strengthen our muscles, and get movement in for this weekend because staying active and staying bounced keeps us healthy, strong, and happy. And so we get it done here with I Jump Instead. And I know you're staying so consistent with these classes. So congratulations to you because you have found jumping and you know that that is the one thing that every human being on the planet needs to be doing in order to have easy world, as I like to say. It's easy to stay in shape. It's easy to keep your body healthy if you have a rebounder in the comfort of your own home, which you do. So congratulations to you. Let's go ahead and get started on this easy 10-minute class. We are going to be letting go of our handlebar here, starting with a butterfly movement. If you need to keep one hand on the handlebar, just start with your left hand and then switch to your right hand at the 30-second mark. And then we will make sure to work the whole body in a safe, gentle, and efficient way. So let's go ahead and close our mouths and feel every tug against our whole bodies, just pumping the heels here, staying nice and balanced. I like to press my lips together, which helps keep my jaw muscles nice and strong. It supports my neck, just like keeping our core muscles strong supports our back. So explore it. If ever you do feel neck tension, just let go of the flex in your jaw, but keep your mouth closed. We're gonna get into our steps in 3, 2, 1, forward, forward, back. Walk 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock and sway your hips a little bit. So you can walk more quickly or more slowly depending on your desired intensity for the day. Just make sure that you stay in the present moment with every step so that you feel your whole body strengthening. You stay calm and relaxed, and you get the most out of this workout. Let's go ahead now and switch so we lead with the other foot. Keep your breathing calm. Let your body move and flow with flexibility. Excellent. Now we're going to step side to side. 3, 2, 1. So 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock, in, out, out. And keep those hips moving. Feel your knees staying nice and strong. Jaw is closed. Staying right down the center of your mat. We're going to lead with the other foot in 3, 2, 1. Perfect. The less you bounce here, the more you have control with your press. So keep your bounce all the way down just to a walk. And sway those hips, keeping your core and your back strong. Perfect. The next move we're going to do is a glute squeeze walk in 3, 2, 1. Keeping your feet out, walk in place and squeeze your buns. So you're really getting a contraction, left, right, left, right. Keep your breathing calm. Push down in with your heels, really grabbing your glutes. Getting them nice and strong, staying centered and focused, jaw closed. Anytime you need a break, feel free to pop up and give me a baby bounce and then get back to the movement. The next movement we're going to do is walking with up punches in 3, 2, 1. So let go of your glute squeeze and we're going to walk a little bit slower here, and we're gonna add an up punch. So I really want you to stay dialed in to your core and to your balance. If you need to hold on to the handlebar, just one hand for 30 seconds and switch to the other hand at the 30-second mark. Excellent job. Keep your core and your back strong. Chin parallel to the floor. And then if you need a little break, just pop up and give me a baby bounce at the 50-second mark or the 55-second mark. And then we'll get into our next move at the top of the minute. We're gonna switch to side punches in 3, 2, 1. Excellent job. So stay here, nice and still in your chest, punching out, working your core and your lats, your obliques, your legs, biceps, triceps, deltoids, jaw closed. Feel yourself getting stronger. Your breathing is staying calmer. Like I said before, anytime you need it, just pop up and give me some bounces and then get back to the movement. Perfect. We're gonna do tricep reaches next. In 3, 2, 1. Excellent. So now extend your arm down and back, extending your triceps one at a time. Perfect. Keeping your movements slow and steady. Keep your arms tight into your sides and just relax. See if you can get your breath to be even calmer. Excellent job. Perfect, perfect. We're gonna do some health bounce butterfly next in 3, 2, 1. Health bounce butterfly. You did so good getting through that segment. Now just relax your body, open up here, stay flexible. Just bob your heels if that's good for you. Otherwise, you can pick it up and have your feet just leave the mat about 1/4 inch. Or the balls of your heels are staying mostly connected still. You just got a little more jump. Keep your jaw closed. Just relax. We've got 2 more walking moves. We're gonna do crossovers with an overhead punch, and then we're gonna do glute squeeze walking. So get ready in 3, 2, 1. Back to walking, cross over, and then we're going to add a punch up. So the right foot is crossed over, and my left arm is punching up. Just easy breezy here. Excellent. And we're going to go ahead and walk around now and switch sides. Perfect. Punch up as you step forward, giving your core a nice stretch, keeping your back strong, mouth closed. Feeling your flexibility and your strength. Excellent job. 3, 2, 1, back around, point your feet out and walk into your glute squeeze. Right, left, glute contractions. Stay centered, stay slow and steady, and just relax. You can always move faster or slower so that you meet your fitness needs. And then you can progress over the days and the weeks and the months and the years with us. Stay strong here. Feel those buns. You've got just about 10 seconds here. Excellent. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bounce. Perfect. You know, it just crossed my mind. I wonder how many steps we did in class today. And so if you tracked your steps on a watch, I would love to know how many steps you got in this class. If you didn't track your steps, do this class again for me later on today and track your steps while you do the workout. And then please comment below how many steps you got for this class. Fantastic job, Trophies, doing this Saturday steps workout. I'm so proud of you. Feel free to do it again tomorrow or later on, like I said, if you track your steps or not, if you're feeling frisky. And then, of course, we will see you on Monday with a brand new Muscle Flex Monday workout. All right, Trophies, take care. Lots of love, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.